Alright, let's look at the homework 4.9, problem number 6. Right, so given the derivative, we want to find the original function. Right, so let's do that. Right, so we want to find f of t. So we can take the antiderivative, of, first I'm going to actually go ahead and multiply this out. So you have a secant times secant of t. So we're going to get secant squared of t. And then if you distribute the secant to tangent, so this is going to be plus secant of t times tangent of t, right? And with respect to t, right? Then we know that the antiderivative of secant squared would be tangent of t. Antiderivative secant of t times tangent of t is going to be a secant of t plus some constant c, right? Then we can use the initial value condition. So f of pi over 4 would be, right? Tangent of pi over 4 would be 1, right? Secant of pi over 4, well, what is a secant of pi over 4? Cosine of pi over 4 would be 1 over square root of 2. So secant is a reciprocal of that. It's going to be a square root of 2. And plus some constant c is supposed to be -7, right? So we can simply subtract 1, subtract square root of 2. So c is going to be -8 minus square root of 2, right? So therefore, we have a complete formula for f of t, which is tangent of t plus secant of t minus 8 minus square root of 2, right? So let's type it in. So we have tangent of t plus secant of t minus 8 minus square root of 2. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.